What's going on, everybody? Brian Mann here, hands-on auto training, end of day, September 13th, 2021. Had a little bit of a busy day today, a couple things going on. I got a chance to drop off the DLC breakout box to our winner, Glenn. Got Glenn here, the winner of the DLC breakout box. So Glenn, I hope you get some use out of that. And guys, just so you can see, I'm actually giving away, I'm not lying about it, but he's got his brand new breakout box there. I'm hoping you get some good use out of it.
Sure
you guys stay tuned for how to win those U-scopes. My day started out with a 2014 Jeep Cherokee. This is the Jeeps with the 9-speed transmission with all kinds of issues. For a TCM update is what we started out doing. This was interesting. There is a TSB that says that we have to do basically check the fast fill adapts on the scan tool and then restore proxy alignment or do a proxy alignment restore. Now, I noticed when we got into this thing, we do have the flashing mileage. You see the flashing mileage? And the radio is actually coming up as a non-configured module. But check this out. I'm trying to do a proxy alignment and I cannot because I think this radio has been replaced. So the radio part number doesn't match what it should be, so that's interesting. Even though I'd select TCM as the module I wanted to align, it kept on kicking me out saying the radio was an invalid part number. Let me know if you guys have seen this before. This is the first time I come across it, so it was kind of interesting. Next, we went old school to a 2001 Ranger. This had a replacement column from a junkyard. It was actually a Mazda column, but we were able to get the keys to program. I had to cut a key and basically do a patch learn on that, no big deal. Then we programmed the 2015 Chevy Colorado. This is a E92 computer. All went well with that, no problem there. Even though it was a brand new version computer, I still had to do a security learn. Sometimes you get brand new computers from GM or remanufactured from General Motors and they're wiped out and the security learns automatically, just turning the key on, going to crank a couple times. This one didn't go that way. After that, I was on to a 2010 Lacrosse that had a multitude of electrical problems. The primary reason I was called out was because we couldn't turn the key on. This was push button start, so you do have to just push and hold the button. Usually it'll turn on. As long as it detects a key, the ignition will go to the run position. On most GMs, I think usually it takes about 7 seconds or so. But this would not turn on. I ended up putting the key that they gave me for this into the pocket, the programming pocket, which is underneath the cup holder on this, and it still didn't start. Well, it turned out that key wasn't programmed to the vehicle. The key that was all falling apart was programmed to the vehicle, and I could get it to turn on. I actually had the vehicle start and run multiple times, and then it stopped starting and running. We did have voltage on the purple wire. I did find a interrupt circuit or some sort of aftermarket baloney that was installed in line for the purple wire to the starter, and it still wouldn't start even after we bypassed that. The shop has to get this up in the air and check for voltage down to the starter. More than likely going to have a bad starter. When it was running, the vehicle was not charging, so we had no alternator output. So there's a lot of stuff going on there. I really don't know what we'll find. The last job of the day was a 2009 Honda Odyssey. We had an update for a P0128. That's a thermostat code. Arthur, I'm making a complete video of walkthrough on that. It'll be up on the membership site probably in a day or two, hopefully sooner. But we got the complete start to finish on that for you. So I hope you guys are doing good. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll be talking about when we're going to start giving away those U-scopes shortly here. I'm trying to put a plan together to do it in a nice way. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.